Larry had just come home.
We're having a Brownie track meet at the high school. We're supposed to. The tornado changed all that. I had to make rounds real early so I could be there for the track meet. So I got down early and hit home. And that's just when the storm was starting. This is going to be a bad day. I don't think we'll have the track meet. And it got worse and worse. And I got home. I wasn't there very long, and the hospital called and said, "You need to come back." And then our phone never worked after that.
I remember going to find that they were going to be okay. Went to the house and they were okay. I thought, okay, I need help. So I went to Broadway Baptist and setting up tables and just trying to get it together.
And it was kind of a miracle when the tornado came because it was right at change of shift. So I had 2 shifts of nurses there. So it really worked well to prepare for it. And all the nurses and doctors had prepared for such an event, and then there it was right away. A lot of them were down to the foundation. There was no walls or roof or anything left, just concrete.
It's like a big family. So they didn't have a home, but you did, so you took them in. You're one of the cities that have been picked out of 25 cities. The only city in Texas. But we were rowdy, and we carried 2 rattlesnakes with us. And I couldn't remember. I was thinking, did I make nachos there? Yeah.
Some of the other booths would give out little pieces of candy, but we had to do
But
better
we
than
had,
that.
yeah, we had nachos.
And then we went down there, and that 25 got weeded down to 10 when we won it. So we didn't know when we went down there if we won or not, of course.
Yes, we did. We knew we had it.
Well, I didn't, but she did.